Our country is in the middle of yet another COVID surge. Last week, we saw a record number of new cases, a weekly high we haven't seen since the start of the pandemic. The worst of it was Friday and Saturday, when more than 83,000 people tested positive each day. If this warning sounds like a broken record, health experts urge that it's time people stop tuning it out, because this is expected to be just the beginning of the curve's steepest slope. Efforts up until this point to mitigate the spread seem to be futile as the virus continues to accelerate from cities to suburbs and even rural farm towns. The virus no longer has a clear epicenter, but instead is everywhere. If you have yet to know someone personally impacted by COVID, you likely will soon, as about 1 in every 1,000 Americans have tested positive for it, and 2 in every 100,000 have died of it, according to the COVID Tracking Project. And health experts say it's going to continue getting worse in the coming weeks. That is, unless people start to follow their long-standing guidance that social distancing and wearing masks is key. The Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation at the University of Washington says if 95% of people wore masks in public this winter, more than 100,000 lives could be saved in the U.S. The Food and Drug Administration's commissioner has even gone as far as to say in an op-ed for the Wall Street Journal, it's time to consider a limited and temporary national mask mandate. It's a regulation already in place in parts of the world, including much of Europe. Reporting for Newsnet, I'm Abigail Taylor.